your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, Instagram keeps stopping. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just open Wi-Fi, just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. Also you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. Just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. After, just go to the general. If you still have this issue, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, so if you still have this error, so just try to go to App Store, just write in search tab Instagram, just find Instagram and just check your updates. So if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates. Just tap on it and just install the latest updates on your iPhone. And if you still have this issue, just tap on Instagram, just choose remove app, and after just go to App Store and just go to search tab, write Instagram and just download and install Instagram again on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.